Good evening, Sir Marwen. So what I'm gonna do is the activity 2 in user experience design, which is this: redesign your partner's app prototype. The instructions is: take your classmates' app design and make it better. Add micro interactions, animations, and any missing screens or pages to improve how the app looks and works. Then create a video recorded presentation where you number 1, show both designs, your partner's original and your improved version. So this is Javier design. This is her admin. When she logs in, it goes to the dashboard. There's a student, calendar, analytics, attendance tracking, schedules, and there's also quick actions, add new users, send announcement, and recent activities. And when you click these students, there's nothing to show. There's nothing to show in calendar, analytics, attendance. And this is the students. As you can see, the name of the student ID, student name, course, status, action, where you can edit and view. Next, faculty. There's also a search bar in each form. This is the faculty members, faculty ID, name, department, status, and action. Courses, course code, UED, example UED 101, course title user experience design, department CIT, enrolled 48, capacity 50, status open, action view edit for admin. Accounts, these are the accounts, it's scrollable too. And there's also a hover here. In settings, there's a dark mode, but there's no function. And when you log out, it doesn't go back to the admin page. So here's my design. I'm Avril. By the way, I'm Avril Dinglasan from BSIT-3D. Login. This is the students, calendars, analytics, attendance tracking, schedules, recent activity. When you click the students, it goes to the student list. When you click the calendar, it goes to the calendar. When you click the analytics, it goes to the analytics. And when you click the attendance tracking, it shows the attendance tracking. This is the same as Javier. I just redesigned a little bit. I added some hover in students calendar. In students, you can see this, the hover for filters, search, hover for view, edit, and the same in faculty. There's an edit, view. There's also a hover for add new faculty and filters, search. In courses, you can see the hover too, and filters, hover. Accounts, it's also scrollable. When you click the view profile, it goes to the view profile. There's also a hover. And edit account, it goes there. And the settings, you can see that I changed the gray colors of the school name and such, the inputs in to the black color so that it will be easy to read. And when you click the dark mode, there's a dark mode now. Next, explain each screen, what changes you made and why, for number 2. This is Eliza Javier design. This is her logo for admin. There's also a forgot password. When you log in, you can see the dashboard. There's no function of students, calendars, analytics, attendance tracking, schedules. There's no hover for add new user, send announcement, and that's all for dashboard. The next page for students, there is no hover for view and edit. For add new students, there's no hover, and search by name or ID, filter, search. And when you click admin profile, you go to the admin profile. There's a function of it. In faculty, the same in faculty, there's no hover. For search, add new faculty, filters, and action buttons, also the search bar. Same in courses, there's no hover. For add new course, search, filters, search, view, edit. For accounts, it's scrollable, yes. And when you click the view profile, it doesn't go to the view profile, and there's no hover. Even the edit account, in add new user, there's no hover. There's no hover for search. There are hovers for all accounts, students, faculty. And for settings, as you can see, it's hard to read the school name of the school information, school name or University of Eastern Pangasinan, because it's color gray. I want it to be black. And when you click the dashboard, no function. And when you click the logout, there is also no function. So what I'm gonna do, explain each screen, what changes you made and why. This is the admin login now. I changed it to blue because it's user friendly, and the password should be like this, like bulletins. It doesn't have to show the password since it's admin for security. When you click login, it goes to the dashboard. So we're now in dashboard page. This is the dashboard page. Students, calendars, analytics, attendance tracking, schedules, quick actions button, add new users, send announcement, recent activity, search bar, user, admin profile. So when you click, this is what I changed. Students hover. I changed the hover. the students is 1,250, but it's not really 1,250. When you scroll it, it's I think 50 or 40. So I changed it to 20 because my students are only 20. Let's go back to the dashboard. So when I click the students, it shows the students. When I click the calendar, it shows the calendar, and there are also hover for add new event, October 2025. These are upcoming events, and October 10 parent teacher conference, October 25 holiday, no classes, faculty meeting in October 30, project deadline 31, October 31, and analytics. This is the notification, or if it's urgent, it's also scrollable. Even my calendar, not my calendar, this is the I didn't change the schedule since it's already nice. And the attendance tracking, there I put a function in students calendar, analytics, attendance tracking. I put 4 forms, and when I click attendance, it shows the attendance tracking. You can see the key metrics: total students 20, October average attendance 92%. Here, today's absences 5% absences, Minghao October 20. Next, let's go to students. The changes I made is the hover of search by student, hover for new students, filters, search, hover, same in faculty, there's a hover. I added a border in search bar, and in search bar, and there's a hover for action for in faculty. And in courses, this is Javier. This is Javier design. Her design is add new course button. It's gray, but I want it to be, let's go to courses, to red, so that it will be like para balance and hindi pabago-bago ng color. In accounts, it's also scrollable, but there I added some hover and functions for view profile and edit account. When I click the view profile, it shows the admin profile. You can upload photo and change password. This is the personal information. There's also a hover for save profile. That's what I added for admin profile. And when I click settings, and there's it's in search bar, it's all I already added the border. I added in all page, I added border black, so that it will be easier to read. And the school name, address, I changed it into black, from gray to black, so that it will be easier to read. The save, dark mode, she already added hover in dark mode, but in save information she didn't add it and save. But so I added it, and when I click the dark mode, it shows the dark mode. That's what you've been missing. So that's all. Thank you, sir, for watching. Oh, for number 3, I'm not done yet. For number 3, highlight how how your redesign makes the app more attractive and easier to use. In my design, because of the hovers I added in students, calendars, and such, and because she doesn't have functions for calendar, I added it. It's easier for admin to have a calendar, especially if they have deadlines. These are the important key features that I added, and it will become a user friendly if they have hover. It's like when did I click it or not? When they click it, it shows it goes to the another page. I changed the dashboard sidebar panel to blue because it's pleasing in the eye, and it's better to admin to use, because in school management system, it must be vibrant. The color must be vibrant, not like this. It's like an old app, old system. See, it's not readable, it's not functional, it's not like user friendly. It's easier to use because of the hover I've made, and if there's a dark mode, for if it's nighttime, they can use dark mode. Use of Studio Open Broadcast software Streamlab to record a video presentation. The recording should include both your face and voice-over explanation demonstrating the entire development process of your project from start to finish. That's what I've done. So lastly, I'm gonna attach the following. Once completed, upload your video to your YouTube account, copy the link, and submit it via Orange app on or before the deadline, and add the XD file. Make sure to check your files and link. Resubmission is not allowed. That's all. Thank you, sir, for watching. And have a good night. Hope you sleep well.